In today's fast-paced digital world, students aren't just packing notebooks and pens for school anymore. They're loading up on tech gadgets that can transform their learning experience. As the school year of 2024 kicks off, the right tech can make the difference between a smooth academic journey and one filled with constant tech headaches. But don't worry, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest gadgets that will enhance your learning and keep you ahead of the curve. Number 10. The mighty laptop, your digital backpack. No student's tech arsenal is complete without a reliable laptop. In 2024, some standout models include the MacBook Air M2 with its powerful M3 chip and all-day battery life. Not a fan of Apple? The Dell XPS 13 and Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon offer stellar alternatives with brilliant displays, robust performance, and portability that won't weigh down your backpack. These machines aren't just for typing papers, they're the digital backpack that stores your entire academic life. Beyond academic work, these laptops handle everything from creative projects like video editing to gaming during downtime. With sleek designs and impressive specs, they're a must-have for balancing study and play. And let's be honest, a laptop that can keep up with you as you shuffle from lecture halls to coffee shops is worth the investment. Number 9. Smart notebooks. Goodbye, paper cuts. If you've ever found yourself lost in a sea of loose-leaf pages, the Rocketbook Smart Notebook might be your savior. This reusable notebook lets you write as usual, but with a digital twist, you can scan your notes directly to the cloud. It's perfect for students who love the feel of pen and paper, but want to ditch the clutter. With smart notebooks, organizing notes becomes a breeze, as handwritten content is easily searchable. Plus, you contribute to sustainability by reducing paper waste. The eco-conscious design also appeals to the growing trend of students looking to make greener choices without compromising on their study habits. Paired with its mobile app, this gadget bridges traditional note-taking with modern convenience, helping students stay organized both in and out of the classroom. Number 8. Noise-canceling headphones. Your portable library. Between noisy roommates and chaotic campus life, concentrating can be a challenge. Enter noise-canceling headphones like the Sony WH-1000XM5 or Apple AirPods Pro 2. Whether you're zoning into a lecture recording or drowning out distractions during study time, these headphones ensure you're not interrupted by life's background noise. Plus, they're perfect for those much-needed music breaks. Besides blocking out noise, these headphones offer long battery life and comfortable wear for extended study sessions. If you're hitting the library or taking online classes in shared spaces, a solid pair of noise-canceling headphones can drastically improve your productivity. Bonus: they double as essential travel companions when you're heading home for the holidays, making them a versatile investment. Number 7. Portable power banks. Keep the juice flowing. There's nothing worse than your laptop or phone dying in the middle of an important assignment. The Anker Prime Power Bank or the Fochu Wireless Portable Charger ensures that you're never left without power when you need it most. These portable powerhouses are equipped to charge laptops, tablets, and phones, making them must-have gadgets for students on the go. With advancements in charging speed and battery capacity, these power banks allow students to go all day without worrying about finding an outlet. Additionally, many models feature multiple ports and wireless charging capabilities, making them versatile enough to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're powering up during a commute or in between classes, portable chargers give you the flexibility to stay connected. Number 6. Smart backpacks. Charge and go. Gone are the days when backpacks were just for carrying books. The Fur Jaden charging backpack lets you power up your devices while you walk between classes. Some models even feature anti-theft technology, so your gadgets stay secure, making them both a functional and stylish choice for tech-savvy students. But it's not just about charging. These backpacks are designed with multiple compartments, allowing you to organize everything from laptops to textbooks to smaller gadgets like earbuds and chargers. They're also often built with ergonomic designs, which helps reduce the strain of carrying heavy loads all day. Whether you're a commuter or a student always on the move, a smart backpack simplifies life by combining storage and charging capabilities into one stylish package. Number 5. Smart coffee makers, fuel for the all-nighters. Let's face it, college students run on caffeine. An Espresso Virtuo or Nescafe Smart Coffee Maker can be your best friend during those all-nighters. With these smart gadgets, you can brew your coffee with minimal effort and get back to cramming for that midterm. And it's not just about convenience, these machines can also help you cut down on those expensive coffee shop runs. With customizable brewing options and consistent quality, smart coffee makers ensure you get your caffeine fix exactly how you like it. They're also compact enough to fit into dorm rooms or small apartments, making them ideal for students with limited space. Plus, with app connectivity, you can control the brew settings from your phone, adding a tech twist to your caffeine routine. Number 4. Temperature-controlled travel mugs. Sip-in style. Pair your smart coffee maker with a temperature-controlled travel mug like the Ember mug. It keeps your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature for hours, ensuring that every sip is just as good as the last. Whether you're heading to class or pulling an all-nighter, a travel mug ensures your drink stays warm without constant reheating. These high-tech mugs are designed with sleek aesthetics and practicality in mind. They often come with app integration, allowing you to control the temperature remotely and set preferences for different types of beverages. A reliable travel mug is a simple luxury that adds a touch of sophistication to your daily coffee rituals. Plus, you'll never have to suffer through a lukewarm drink again. Number 3. Tablet stands, multi-device heaven. For students juggling multiple devices, a good tablet stand like the Anoser tablet stand is a game changer. It allows you to use your tablet as a second screen alongside your laptop, making multitasking easier than ever. And when class is over, it can transform into a Netflix stand for some well-deserved relaxation. These stands are also lightweight and foldable, making them easy to carry around campus. In addition to enhancing your workflow, they can reduce strain on your neck and back by elevating your devices to the ideal viewing angle. Whether you're studying, reading, or relaxing, a sturdy tablet stand ensures your tech setup is both comfortable and efficient. Number 2. Wireless mice. Click without boundaries. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, a good wireless mouse like the Logitech M325 can make a world of difference. No more struggling with a trackpad during a marathon study session. Just point, click, and conquer your assignments. Wireless mice not only provide convenience, but also reduce the risk of strain and discomfort, especially during long hours of work. Many models, like the M325, offer customizable buttons, long battery life, and ergonomic designs that cater to individual preferences. Plus, they're compact and easy to throw into your bag, making them the perfect addition to your portable study setup. Number 1. Lap desks. Study anywhere. Sometimes sitting at a desk just isn't the vibe. With a lap desk like the Lapgear Home Office Lap Desk, you can work from your bed, couch, or even the floor. These lap desks provide a sturdy surface and often come with built-in mouse pads, phone slots, and even storage compartments. It's perfect for the student who loves flexibility and comfy furniture. Whether you're using it for serious study sessions or late-night Netflix binges, a lap desk makes any spot your personal workspace. Plus, their lightweight and portable designs mean you can take them anywhere on campus, ensuring that you're never stuck at a traditional desk if you don't want to be. And that's a wrap on the top tech gadgets for students in 2024. If you found this video helpful, or if your backpack just got a little heavier with all these new gadgets, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And hey, hit that subscribe button, because just like your power bank, we'll keep you charged up with the latest tips, tricks, and trends. Who knows, our next video might just save you from your next all-nighter.